Now that we finalized our search criteria, we have a list of houses to go look at. This is one of my favorite parts of the home buying process because I love looking at houses and just seeing all the different layouts and how people design them and all that fun stuff. So anyways, we're gonna jump in the car, we're gonna meet up, go take a look at all those properties, and I want you to rate each property on a scale of 1 to 5. 1 being meaning this house does not fit my needs, I don't like it, I can't see myself living here, I don't wanna see it again. And then up to a 5 meaning this house checks off all the boxes, all of my wants. I'm ready to move into it. I'm picturing my furniture in there, my kids playing in the backyard. So let's move forward and make an offer. Once we're done looking at all the properties, we're gonna meet back up and just go over everything. Any of the homes that you surveyed on a 1 to 2 and maybe a 3, we're probably just gonna throw out. And then we're gonna focus on any of the ones that are 4s and 5s. Obviously, if you have one that's a 5, then I think it's a pretty good sign that we need to make an offer on that house. Let's get going. If you have more than one house that's rated a 5, then you have some homework to do. You need to discuss what you like about those homes, what you don't like, compare and contrast them, and ultimately you need to make a decision on which house you want to see yourself living in.